how to make your story highlights on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your story highlights on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you have to click here like this, and now you will see story highlight. Click on it, and now you will see all your stories here. Just select any one you want like this, and here you can write anything on your highlight, and you can edit your cover, and after this just click add and it will be done. And that's how to make your story a highlight. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.